Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well this morning. I went for a little shorter ride this morning because I needed to do some test riding, and it made me think, if you're out at any time riding, you should be prepared. So, bring some water with you, wear a helmet, bring a cell phone or a quarter, those kinds of things. But I also bring a few other things just in case. I ride tubes, so I always bring a spare tube with me. I bring a patch kit, and of course I bring a pump, and even if you're riding tubeless, you should be bringing a pump with you and maybe a spare inner tube just in case. I also bring a couple of wrenches, and I bring a little multi-tool along with me with a bunch of hex wrenches, and I take a chain breaker with me. All of these things I've used in the past, so it's really nice. The reason I was for a test ride was yesterday I had a little bit of problem that I needed to go to a local bike store to get some pieces, but it meant that I could do temporary repairs on the trail. So if you're headed out for a ride, remember to bring some extra things along with you just in case. I'll give you a list of what I bring down below, but you have a wonderful day and really enjoy exploring Winnipeg. Bye.